matplotlib savefig, no such file or directory. I am having a very weird behavior from matplotlib savefig function. I am doing as follows. The errors. The output I am specified as a relative path. And when I do path.exist output _ folder, it gives me true. I know that we can specify relative paths in savefig. Otherwise, what am I doing wrong? I also tried this. And this. But still getting the same results. What's very weird, I ran the same code from different script. I modified a bit the code to make it as follows. The first script has this as the output path. And the second script has this as the output path. The first is working and the second is not. Both scripts are found in the same directory.
Wow, after spending many hours on this, I just replaced this by this. And it worked. I'm not sure if this is a possible bug in matplotlib. I think the length of the path in savefig has some limits. I opened an issue on GitHub, this URL.